Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Oh wow, I don't think we've ever seen this before. It's a little shorter Jayco Eagle, so let's take a look. It's a 2025 Jayco Eagle HT, model number 275 RBCS. So let's get started. The length on this Eagle is 30 foot 1 inch. The dry weight is 7,060 pounds with a hitch weight of 785 with a GVWR of 9,200 pounds.
Exactly, like Jeremy said, we have not seen this floor plan, so we're not really sure if it's a new one or if it's been out and we just haven't seen it. But it's really interesting and we think you guys are really going to like it. Right up here you do have an electric tongue jack, and of course your propane is going to go under this cover, and your batteries will mount right back there behind it. Coming around the side.
Oh wow.
Yeah, of course your hookups are going to be here. And you do see you've got a filtration system already in here. Your gray tank pool is going to be inside there. Oh, coming on down the side. You are going to have the MORryde CRE 3000 suspension on this one. And the Eagle does have a rack and pinion slide. Your dump area is
it's got your tank pool on it.
Yeah, and the tank pool down here. And you are going to have electric stabilizers.
Tankless water heater.
Tankless. On the back, Jayco is going to give you a ladder to access your roof. It is prepped for a backup camera. Of course, your plug-in is going to be here at the very back. You do have a receiver down here for an accessory rack, but not for towing.
Let's see. Yep, propane right back here.
Okay, so your quick connect is going to be there at the back. Again, there's another shot showing your electric stabilizers, low point drain. You have a port here for your J port for your grill to go on. Your speakers are going to be down low on this one. Love that. And we don't have a measurement on this awning, so let's see what we can come up with here.
16 feet.
About 16 feet, so yeah, nice power awning up here. I like that they give you the white arms on this so that it does kind of blend into the side of your camper. And the other side of your pass-through storage.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, very nice size in here. Place where you can bring your TV out. Nice and finished out.
Cool.
All right. Let's go in and take a look at this one. Okay, now we have some folks who really love a rear bath model. So we want to hear from you. We want to see what you think about this one. Now I'm just going to
get started with it.
Yeah, we'll just start with the rear bath. Now I'm going to tell you the rear bath on this one's a little bit smaller than what we were expecting. But now on the shower. I mean, the Eagles have good head height, so at 6 feet tall, Jeremy's got more than enough room. There is a skylight.
30 by 48.
30 by 48, so I mean, yeah.
That's the only thing I'd say. It's got a little bit of a step up.
It does have a good bit of a step up there. You're going to have a single sink in here, but, I mean, they give you all of these drawers. You have an open storage area right over there. Medicine cabinet. They give you a towel ring already in place. It is porcelain.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's even more storage behind there to stash your rolls. And we're going to give this one the plunger. Now it is a little bit small. It's a little bit tight. But it hits all of the points. You have great linen. It has porcelain. It has a nice size shower.
I already give you a towel bar, a tissue holder.
Yeah. Your water heater controls, everything. So, yeah, and this is all on a sliding door. So, it's going to
cool.
get it. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
All right, backing up, I'll just go ahead and show you this slide over here. So this is going to be one big slide. Your theater seating is there. Of course, Jayco being Jayco, it's going to give you these tables. So as you can see, you can take them out or they'll fit down in the cup holders. You have storage in between. Looks like these are going to be parachute pull for your recliners. Nice big windows all the way around, blackout shades. Windows are all going to open for some airflow. Do you have a table here? Now this one is going to have a pedestal in it, so just keep that in mind. You've got 2 chairs.
Does extend.
It will extend. And then you're going to have a bench on this side, so there is storage underneath. I'm sure you can pull it out if you want to, but I mean, you've got a recliner, but so yeah. Really nicely done little dining area.
Have a seat there and
So,
look at this entertainment.
so yeah, when you have a seat here, you are looking at your TV. I am going to guess it's a 50?
40.
40. Oh, I was off on that one. Okay. But it's at a slight angle. So you're going to have a little bit of an angle sitting here, but it's not an unreasonable viewing angle. Storage up above that. Got storage below. Great place to put your remotes. Your radio and everything's going to be right there to the right. You do have an electric fireplace down here. Now Jayco does not have vents in the floor, so there's one over here in your kitchen area, and
There was one in your
Yeah,
bathroom.
the one in the
Yeah.
bathroom is somewhere
Right on the side.
right there. Now, and you may be thinking, well, do you have a pantry?
Yes, you do.
Yes. You
Wow.
have a really nice sized pantry here.
Oh, wow. The door kind of kicks back on itself.
Oh,
I like
yeah,
that.
it does. So, yeah, great pantry area there. And on this side, they give you some hooks for your coats or leashes, whatever you need to do. And let's see, that has a magnet.
Yes.
And it has a bungee, so yeah.
Cool.
Your fuses are going to be right down here as you come in the door. On this side's where your controls for your lights are. Jayco being Jayco is going to give you a clock up there. 12-volt compressor fridge on this one. Storage up above it. And then a huge drawer down below it. So, wow.
Yes.
Wow, really nice. More storage up at the top.
Big GE.
Big microwave. And then they're going to give you the kind of bigger 3-burner cooktop with an oven. And then it does have a matching drawer down here at the bottom. Now, in case you did not know, the Eagle is Jayco's highest travel trailer.
Yes.
So yeah, this is kind of like their top travel trailer. Storage up here above your sink. It's got the big single basin sink with all of the fun stuff that we like: the cup washer, the waterfall, the drain, and all that cool stuff. Storage down below, and then another big drawer. So they have given you a lot of big drawers down at the bottom. The only thing is there's no place under the sink for a garbage can.
No.
So you could
And-
probably slide it in that pantry, but you may just have to sit it out.
And only other thing I have to say is they didn't really give you a cutlery drawer.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, you'd have to put your silverware in one of these lower drawers.
Yeah,
So-
or under the sink or something.
Yeah,
I don't
somewhere
know.
like that. So that's that's kind of one thing.
Yeah.
Being an Eagle, you do have the whisper quiet air system in this one, so you don't have the big unit sitting up there. You're going to have these vents instead. And moving into the bedroom, you are going to have a double paneled sliding door. I think that's the first time we've seen the double one.
All right.
It's really nice. They are going to give you a queen bed on a north-south bed. Storage underneath.
Are you sure this is a queen?
I don't think it's a king. I could be wrong, but that doesn't happen very often.
It's an 80.
Yeah.
By like 66.
Oh, it's going to be like an Olympic queen.
Yeah.
So, I was halfway right.
Yeah. Oh, well.
There is a windshield in this one.
I am glad I got you on that one.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, it's bungee.
Oh yeah, so it bungees down. That's a huge shade, so I'm going to say it's probably a really big windshield. Now on the side, you're going to have hanging, and this is going to be mirrored on both sides. And then these drawers are just kind of weird to me. They're angled.
It is actually pretty cool.
It is cool, but I love that they give you a drawer over there.
Yeah, a little bit of storage
A little
up
bit
here.
across the top. Not sure exactly what you would use it for, but it's there. You are going to have cubbies on both sides, so I think a CPAP would work in there. Looks like there's power on both sides. And let's see, what is underneath this horrendously tall bed? Okay, this is very tall.
I just showed it.
Oh yeah, we did show it. Okay.
Heat's getting to you.
I know, we're trying to get these done before it gets to be 1,000,000 degrees here. 2 big drawers down here.
Not really a whole lot, but
Yeah, it's not very deep. What is that, about 5 inches?
yeah.
So I'm not really sure exactly what you would use this for. Please tell us what you would use it for. But it's storage.
Yeah.
Your TV will go up here if you want to add one, and you do have a second AC unit. So this one does not have the whisper quiet in the bedroom. It has a standard unit in it. But yeah, guys, I mean, look, you have lots of open floor space in here. And again, we had not seen this floor plan, so we're kind of interested to see what you think about it. So let us know.
All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco Eagle travel trailer, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.